Welcome to Micro Living Made Easy. If you live in a small apartment, a tiny studio, or even just want to make your home feel more open and organized, this video is for you. Today we'll explore 15 affordable space-saving solutions that can transform even the tiniest space into a cozy, stylish, and fully functional home. Ready? Let's dive right in. The kitchen. Now, let's start with the heart of the home, the kitchen. First up, a foldable wall-mounted table. This is a game changer. It gives you a dining space when you need it and folds away completely flat when you don't. Perfect for morning coffee or a late-night snack. Next, drawer organizers. No more digging around for a spoon or knife. With dividers, everything stays neat and easy to find. It's such a simple upgrade, but it makes cooking less stressful. How about magnetic spice racks? Instead of cramming jars into a crowded cabinet, stick them onto the fridge or a wall strip. It saves space and looks great, almost like kitchen decor. And here's my personal favorite, an over-the-sink dish rack. It doubles as counter space, dries your dishes, and keeps everything tidy. Honestly, it's a must-have for any small kitchen. The living room. Next up, the living room. Think multi-purpose living. A sofa with hidden storage is your best friend. You can store blankets, books, or even extra clothes inside, while still having a comfy couch to relax on. Stackable stools are another lifesaver. Use them for extra seating when guests come over, and when you're done, tuck them neatly under a table or shelf. A wall-mounted desk is also a brilliant idea. It folds down when you need to work or study and folds up to give you back your floor space. And don't forget those slim vertical bookshelves. They fit perfectly into unused corners and give you storage without eating up valuable space. In a small living room, every single piece of furniture should work harder for you. The bedroom. Now, let's talk about the bedroom, one of the trickiest rooms in small living. Start with a bed frame that has pull-out drawers. This is hidden storage gold, perfect for clothes, extra bedding, or seasonal items. Then, if you really want to maximize space, consider a Murphy bed. By folding up into the wall, it gives you free floor space during the day, which can instantly turn your bedroom into a mini office or workout area. Don't forget hanging organizers on the back of doors. Great for shoes, accessories, or even toiletries. And for those awkward, under-the-bed spaces, rolling storage bins are a perfect solution. They slide in and out easily and keep clutter out of sight. The bathroom. Even tiny bathrooms can shine. A slim rolling cart is perfect for small gaps beside the sink. Store your soaps, lotions, and cleaning supplies, and just roll it out when you need something. Add shelves above the toilet. This often overlooked space is great for towels, toiletries, or even a little decor. A shower caddy keeps everything in place. No more bottles all over the floor. And of course, a collapsible laundry basket. It folds flat when not in use, saving so much space. Getting creative. Now let's get a little creative. Use ottomans and coffee tables with hidden compartments. They look stylish and they hide the clutter at the same time. Pegboards and wall hooks are amazing for organizing. Hang up bags, hats, kitchen tools, or even plants for a modern touch. Try foldable chairs that hang on the wall. When you're not using them, they double as decor. And here's a trick designers swear by. Mirrors, curtain dividers, and floating shelves. Mirrors make a room look bigger. Curtain dividers create separate zones. Floating shelves keep the floor clear and open. Budget-friendly DIY hacks. Now for the fun part. Budget hacks you can do yourself. Stack wooden crates to create open shelving. Cheap, flexible, and rustic. Use PVC pipes as shoe holders or organizers. Lightweight and easy to build. Try making DIY hanging shelves with a simple wooden plank and rope. Affordable, stylish, and totally customizable. And Don't throw away those cardboard boxes. Cover them in decorative wrapping paper or fabric, and boom, you've got stylish organizers for free. And that's it. 15 affordable space-saving solutions. From foldable furniture to clever DIY hacks, these ideas prove that small spaces can still deliver big comfort and style. So, which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical micro-living tips every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, in micro-living, it's not about the size of your home. It's about how smart you use it.